In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Chrome hardware acceleration in just a few quick steps. This is a useful fix if Chrome is acting sluggish, videos are glitching, pages are freezing, or you're running into display issues that seem tied to your graphics settings. By turning this feature off, you can often make Chrome behave more smoothly on certain computers. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will open the main Chrome settings page, where you can control everything from privacy options to appearance, performance, and system preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click System. This section contains the options that control how Chrome interacts with your computer's hardware and background processes. Now look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting that can sometimes cause performance issues or compatibility problems on certain devices. To disable it, simply turn the toggle switch off. Once you switch it off, Chrome will usually prompt you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the new setting. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and when it comes back, hardware acceleration will be disabled. After that, you can test Chrome to see if the issue you are having has improved. If you are dealing with stuttering video, browser lag, screen flickering, or weird graphical glitches, this change may help. And if you ever want to turn the feature back on later, you can follow the same steps and switch the setting back on again. So that's how to disable Chrome hardware acceleration quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.